So, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Today, we're gonna prepare this lamb leg. Yeah, let's make it in a brine. I got 1.5 liter water and I got 155 grams of salt. I heat it up so that the salt got dissolved, and let's check it out because it cannot be hot, otherwise it will pre-cook our meat, and it's just reaching the 45 degrees, which is not that bad. In the meantime, for our brine, let's make some some pepper. I use these 20 turns, yeah. 1 bay leaf, so a little bit of flavor. Garlic, I got here 6 cloves. So let's smash it here. This is just a flavor for our brine, for our lamb, and then we're gonna cook it tomorrow. This is just will be like 20 hours marinating. And of course we have some thyme from our garden, so let's chop a little bit of thyme. Yeah. And just wanna roughly chop it. We just want it that our pieces are quite okay, because well, when we put it in the back for the marination period, that everything gets from the brine, our garlic and our thyme. So, oh, this starts smelling very nice. The thyme, the fresh thyme. Just okay. Let's just here, let's clean up a little bit. Let's discard here. So bay leaf, garlic, salt, water, thyme, 5 ingredients. That's it. And I got a vacuum bag. And what I am gonna do, I'm gonna try, well, let's see. Oh, it's quite nice, cleaned. Yeah, look. It's just around 3 kilos here, yeah? So I was wondering if I do some stitches on here, which I guess I will do some of them. But I'm not gonna go too deep. I'm just gonna go this side here. And I'm just seated in one side. This will be the side where they're low, and I will cook it this way. So this side I didn't stitch it. So yeah. So, and now what we're gonna do is our vacuum bag. I'm gonna introduce my lamb. Yeah. And this should be below 4 degrees already. We're still at 41. So I got an idea. I will just try to cool it up a little bit. Great. So now I'm just gonna pour it here on our back. I need some help here with my leg. So yeah. There you are. So I'm gonna just pour it. I will seal it. I don't need to vacuum it, I just will seal it, just that. And this is our brine for our lamb. So. Well, the magic of the videos, 24 hours are gone and we are here with our leg. What I did, I just removed the leg from the back, for the brine. I threw that away. I let here this piece to cool down. I remove all the big chunks of thyme, the bay leaf, everything. Just let it here cool down, room temperature. In the meantime, I got a preheat oven, 160 degrees, air circulation. We're gonna start with 2 hours on it and then we'll check it out, yeah? Just like that, look. Magic result. I hope at the end it's also gonna be magic result when we taste it, gonna be tasted, hopefully. So I will make a close-up for you now and then go to the oven, 2 hours, and let's see, okay? So this is what I wanted to show you. This is our piece with the big chunks of thyme all removed, clean, and now to the oven. Preheated, 2 hours, 160, and let's wait. So look, our lamb after 2 hours. Let's check the temperature. We got in the core here. Oh wait, hold on. We got in the core here 72. Yeah, it's good. Now what, quite easy, we're gonna remove the tray here and then we're gonna add some potatoes in order to cook them in the same pot. So I got some onion and I got just potatoes, yeah. Some potatoes here, just leaving space for my tray here. Yeah. We might need a little bit of pepper. Some salt, a little bit of oil to keep cooking them, and we're gonna just mix it up all get with the fat of the lamb together with a little bit of oil, the onions, like everything gets mixed, yeah, and all well spread. We're making small space here for our spray. Yeah, that's it. And we can easily place it back. Put here, and here is also good. Yeah. And now we can just go back to our oven. Oh, yeah. Wow. Lamb is just amazing. I just made the clove for 45 minutes, the same temperature, 160, and let's wait. Well, additionally to the 45 minutes for the potatoes, I add also 20 more extras. The potato wasn't that cooked, so I added thyme, and this was just the result. Amazing! It looks beautiful, and of course it will taste beautiful and tasty as well. So I will leave you here. I will start cutting it, serving, and enjoying it. I hope you can make it at home and enjoy it as we will do it today. And with the rest of it, if you don't eat it the same day, you can vacuum it on the fridge, or for the next day you can prepare some sandwich with lamb, or do it with rice, or just with more potatoes. So everyone, I hope you like it. If you do, subscribe to the channel. If you have any comments, leave them down here in the comment box. Hit the thumb up button and enjoy the journey. I hope you like it.